Okay guys, so let us solve for the value of x of this rational equation. So we have here rational equation na 3 minus 2x over 6 is equal to 5 minus x over 8. So this time, what we are going to do is we are just going to cross multiply. So we are just going to multiply 3 minus 2x sa 8. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 8 multiplied by 3 minus 2x. Okay? Then itong 6 naman, i-multiply naman natin siya sa 5 minus x. So equal sign. Then 6 multiplied by 5 minus x. Okay? Then of course, solve for the value of x. So distribute natin tong 8 times 3. So this is equal siya sa 24. 8 times negative 2x. So this is equal siya sa negative 16x. Tapos this is 6 times 5. So this is 30. Then 6 times negative x. So this is negative 6x. Then ipagsama-sama natin yung mga like terms. Okay, so itong may variable x, so bring down natin itong negative 16x. Tapos sa kabila, meron tayong negative 6x. Lipat natin siya dito. Okay, so pag nilipat natin dyan, so mag-change na yan ng kanyang sign. So from negative 6x, magiging positive 6x na yan. Then, bring down natin yung 30. Tapos ito naman, may constant din tayo. Ilipat natin sa kabila. So, from positive 24, magiging negative 24. So, in this case, ang gagawin natin is i-simplify natin yung negative 16x plus 6x. So, we know that this is equal siya sa negative 10x. Then, 30 minus 24. So, this is equal siya sa 6. Then, divide natin both side by negative 10 para makuha natin yung value ng ating x. So therefore, if we are going to continue, so magkakaroon tayo dito ng x which is equal siya sa negative 6 or 6 over negative 10. Then kapag isa-simplify natin yan, or we can say that this is equal siya sa 3 over negative 5. So ang x natin is equal siya sa negative 3 over 5.